Are you curious about what a Warewash agreement with state includes? By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect and how it benefits your business. In this video, we will break down the key features of a Warewash agreement and how they're designed for efficiency and how they simplify your operations, starting with what is a Warewash agreement with state. One of the options for the agreement is to have a rental of a commercial dishwasher. What that means is a flat amount each month. So you don't have to worry about the maintenance, the issues that you might have with the machine. We offer 24/7, 365 days a year emergency service as well. The way we have the agreement set up is you buy the chemicals as needed. Unlike some other competitors where there's a minimum that you have to hit, you just buy the chemicals that you need. The agreement with State Cleaning Solutions is a 24-month agreement. What are the benefits of a Warewash agreement with state? One of the main benefits is the upfront cost. Oftentimes, if you're looking to buy a machine, it's going to be extremely expensive. And then once there is an issue with it, which we all know there will be at some point, it's going to be down for quite some time. When you're with state and you do the rental, we're going to be there within 24 hours and we're going to get that fixed right away. With the restaurant industry, which is a huge part of our customer base, when the machine goes down, that is a massive problem for you as an owner. With our service, we'll be able to get that up and running in a very quick amount of time. Will I be locked into an agreement with state? The answer is no, as long as you give us 60 days notice, just so we can come set up a good day and time to remove the equipment and the machine. Now that you've learned about our Warewash agreements, feel free to reach out to our team at www.stateindustrial.com by clicking on the Contact Us button, or use the link below to get in contact with one of our trained professionals to start your journey with State today.